Hi, and welcome to Tuesday. Hopefully, you guys had a good long weekend. First things first is our directions for the day. So, your learning target, I can identify characteristics of relationships according to Confucianism in Asian folktales. So, to break that down, we are going to be reading Asian folktales from Southeast Asia and kind of examining how they show the different characteristics of Confucianism that we learned about last week. So your directions, complete your warm-up as always, especially for attendance purposes. And then you will open your folktales folder and then complete the folktales worksheet as you read at least 2 of the 5 folktales found within the folder. And if you need any help, as always, join your teacher's office hours. So to look at that folder after you've completed your warm-up, which is, according to Confucianism, how are younger people supposed to treat older people? So think back to the cardinal principles and ethical norms, what is expected of students, of teachers, children to their parents, what is expected of them, younger friend to older friend. And then you open up this folder and you have your folktales worksheet, and you are completing this by reading at least 2 of these. You do not have to read all 5. It does not matter which ones that you read. Pick at least 2 of them. So you have the 2 brothers, the 3 gifts, my favorite, the disobedient frog, Nolu and Hongbu, and the story of Tam and Cam. So some quick things to point out. First, in your worksheet, you have the directions up here again, which is choose 2 folktales to read and listen to on Schoology. Each folktale will focus on a relationship. Your job is to find different aspects of Confucianism, the cardinal principles and ethical norms that are in the folktale. Use the table below to type your notes. So these are some reminders to help you out of the cardinal principles and the ethical norms. So these are not questions. These are just here to help guide you. And then as you're reading the folktale, write. So if you did the disobedient frog, which is once again my favorite, you would write here the disobedient frog. And then you would explain which relationships it is showing. Not all of them show all of them. So if your folktale only shows one relationship, that's the only one that you're writing notes on. So once again, you have just the 2. And then to show you the actual readings, you have the 5, just click on the link. And then within your document, you have the readers. So if you click there, there is a reading of me reading it to you to help you out. I am not a professional, but hey, did my best. So all of them have the click here to have this read to you, so you have as many resources as we can give you. And then one last time, as always, if you need any help, don't be afraid, jump into your teacher's Google Meets.